Welcome back to Wormhole to Cosmos. In today's journey, we'll traverse the vast expanse of our Milky Way, exploring celestial giants that dwarf our own sun. Imagine standing on Earth, gazing up at Betelgeuse, a star so immense that if placed at the center of our solar system, its surface would extend beyond Jupiter's orbit. We'll also encounter Canis Majoris, a red hypergiant whose staggering dimensions challenge our very perception of size. Join us as we delve into these cosmic marvels, unveiling the true scale of the universe. Earth formed about 4.5 billion years ago, possibly from a collision with the protoplanet Theia, leading to the Moon's creation. Its equatorial diameter is approximately 12,756 kilometers, 7,926 miles. Unique features include plate tectonics, which shape its surface, and a magnetic field generated by its molten iron core, protecting the planet from solar radiation. Jupiter, the largest planet, has an equatorial diameter of approximately 142,984 kilometers, 88,846 miles. Its Great Red Spot, a persistent storm, measures about 16,350 kilometers, 10,159 miles, in width. Formed around 4.6 billion years ago from the solar nebula, Jupiter's immense gravity influenced the solar system's evolution. If Earth were the size of a grape, Jupiter would be comparable to a basketball. Tida 1, discovered in 1995, is a brown dwarf located approximately 400 light-years away in the Pleiades star cluster. With a mass about 55 times that of Jupiter, it has a radius similar to Jupiter's, approximately 71,492 kilometers, 44,423 miles, resulting in a volume roughly equivalent to Jupiter's. Its surface temperature is approximately 2,600 Kelvin, about half that of the Sun. Proxima Centauri, the closest known star to the Sun, is a red dwarf located approximately 4.24 light-years away in the constellation Centaurus. With a mass about 12% of the Sun's, it has a radius of approximately 107,000 kilometers, 66,500 miles, making it roughly 1.5 times the size of Jupiter. Despite its proximity, Proxima Centauri's low luminosity renders it invisible to the naked eye. Notably, it hosts at least 2 planets, including Proxima Centauri b, an Earth-sized exoplanet situated within the star's habitable zone. The Sun, our solar system's central star, has a diameter of approximately 1,391,000 kilometers, 864,000 miles, making it about 109 times wider than Earth. It contains roughly 99.86% of the solar system's total mass. The core temperature reaches approximately 15 million degrees Celsius, 27 million degrees Fahrenheit, driving nuclear fusion that produces light and heat. Approximately 1.3 million Earths could fit inside the Sun, highlighting its immense size. Sirius A, the brightest star in Earth's night sky, is located in the constellation Canis Major, approximately 8.6 light-years, 81 trillion kilometers or 50 trillion miles, from Earth. It has a mass about 2.063 times that of the Sun and a radius approximately 1.711 times solar, equating to around 1,193,000 kilometers, 741,000 miles. With a surface temperature of about 9,940 Kelvin, Sirius A shines 25 times more luminously than the Sun. Pollux, the brightest star in the constellation Gemini, is an orange giant located approximately 33.8 light-years from Earth. It has a mass about 1.91 times that of the Sun and a radius approximately 9.06 times solar, equating to around 6,303,948 kilometers, 3,916,000 miles. Pollux hosts an exoplanet, Pollux B, with a mass at least 2.9 times that of Jupiter, orbiting at an average distance of 1.69 astronomical units. Arcturus, the brightest star in the northern celestial hemisphere, is an orange giant located approximately 36.7 light-years from Earth in the constellation Boötis. With a mass about 1.08 times that of the Sun, it has a radius approximately 25.4 times solar, equating to around 17.7 million kilometers, 11 million miles. Despite its cooler surface temperature of about 4,286 Kelvin, Arcturus shines with a luminosity approximately 170 times that of the Sun. Rigel, the brightest star in the constellation Orion, is a blue supergiant located approximately 860 light-years, 263 parsecs, from Earth. It has a mass about 21 times that of the Sun and a radius roughly 70 times solar, equating to approximately 48.7 million kilometers, 30.3 million miles. With a surface temperature around 12,100 Kelvin, Rigel shines with a luminosity approximately 120,000 times that of the Sun. This massive star is in a late stage of its evolution and is expected to end its life in a supernova explosion. Deneb, the brightest star in the constellation Cygnus, is a blue-white supergiant located approximately 2,615 light-years, 802 parsecs, from Earth. It has a mass about 19 times that of the Sun and a radius approximately 203 times solar, equating to around 141 million kilometers, 88 million miles. With a surface temperature of about 8,525 Kelvin, Deneb shines with a luminosity approximately 196,000 times that of the Sun. It serves as the prototype for the Alpha Cygni variable stars, exhibiting non-radial fluctuations in brightness. Deneb is also a prominent vertex of the summer triangle asterism. The Pistol Star, a blue hypergiant, resides approximately 25,000 light-years from Earth in the constellation Sagittarius. With an estimated mass between 27.5 and 100 times that of the Sun, it has a radius about 306 times solar, equating to approximately 213 million kilometers, 132 million miles. Despite a surface temperature around 11,800 Kelvin, the Pistol Star shines with a luminosity approximately 1.6 million times that of the Sun. Notably, it has ejected nearly 10 solar masses of material in outbursts occurring 4,000 to 6,000 years ago, forming the surrounding Pistol Nebula. Due to significant mass loss, the star is expected to end its life in a supernova or hypernova event within the next 1 to 3 million years. Antares, the brightest star in the constellation Scorpius, is a red supergiant located approximately 550 light-years from Earth. With a mass around 15 times that of the Sun, it has a radius approximately 680 times solar, equating to about 473 million kilometers, 294 million miles. Despite a surface temperature of roughly 3,600 Kelvin, Antares shines with a luminosity about 65,000 times greater than the Sun. Notably, Antares is a slow, irregular variable star exhibiting variations in brightness over time. Betelgeuse, a red supergiant in Orion, lies approximately 548 light-years from Earth. It has a mass between 16.5 and 19 solar masses and a radius about 764 times that of the Sun, roughly 531 million kilometers, 330 million miles. With a surface temperature around 3,600 Kelvin, Betelgeuse shines approximately 126,000 times brighter than the Sun. Canis Majoris, a red hypergiant in the constellation Canis Major, is among the largest known stars. Located approximately 3,820 light-years from Earth, it has a radius about 1,420 times that of the Sun, equating to roughly 987 million kilometers, 613 million miles. If placed at the center of our solar system, its surface would extend beyond Jupiter's orbit. With a surface temperature around 3,490 Kelvin, Canis Majoris shines approximately 270,000 times more luminously than the Sun. The star is surrounded by a complex nebula formed from material it has ejected, indicating it is in a late stage of its evolution and is expected to end its life in a supernova explosion. Thank you for embarking on this stellar voyage with us. Our exploration doesn't end here. Beyond our galaxy lie even more colossal entities, from supermassive black holes to vast galactic clusters. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we'll venture into these grander cosmic realms. If you enjoyed this journey, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Your support fuels our quest through the cosmos. Remember, as Stephen Hawking once said, remember to look up at the stars and not down at your feet. Keep exploring, keep wondering, and keep looking up.